This is your astrologer Sandeep Kataria, and I hope you and your family members are safe and healthy. Here are my special monthly readings for you, covering important aspects of life such as career and finance, love, relationship and married life, family, health and education. This video is for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo and Virgo signs. For other signs, you may like to look up part 2. And now let's begin with Aries. Most of the Aries natives can look forward to a positive and hopeful month. This month, the planets will bless you with good gains and will protect your career and health. The combination of planets is going to improve your communication skills. This will be noticed by people at your office and at home, especially by your younger siblings. The combination of planets will also have a positive impact on your courage and ability to take action. I wish you good luck and may you succeed in all your battles this month. However, be careful about your actions, as the transit of planets is giving you a lot of energy and they are also making you a very bold person this month, and it may become hard to control. Transit of Venus is making you quite creative also, and Venus is likely to bring good comforts of life. At work and in society, Aries natives may get recognition in the second half of the month. Students can do well if they focus on their studies without getting distracted. Overall, students are expected to have a good month. Due to the favorable impact of the planets, love life can be good during this time. You will be romantic and sweet, and that will win the heart of your crush or your spouse. If single, you may become very attractive to someone from the opposite gender. You will spend liberally on your love partner and children. At home, there can be some misunderstanding, as you may say some harsh words to your relatives. However, you will also improve your relationships with friends and make friendships with people of high social standing. The transit of planets at this time is making you good at handling finances. You can become really a good financial planner at home and at work. Therefore, pay attention and try to manage your funds efficiently. This month may bring mixed results for all the Taurus natives. From the career point of view, this will not be a good period. You will get support from your seniors and benefits from your network of friends. Some of the Taurus natives who are employed may look forward to the chances of a promotion or other kind of gains in the job. If you are into business, then this time is full of changes. Hence, your gains are likely to fluctuate fast. There is a strong chance for all Taurians that they must pay attention to their behavior during this time, especially if you have anger issues. Then avoid getting into a debate or arguments, as it can be negative for your relationship. Whether in business or in job, Taurus natives should not trust their juniors or colleagues blindly. For all Taurus students, this time is likely to bring mixed results. Students will see extreme situations in their studies. This is because in their second house, the combination of Mercury and Mars can cause distraction of focus and disruption in education. However, this situation is likely to be only for a few days. As regards the competitive exams, Taurus students will have to put more efforts. You will get better chances of success in higher education and in the competitive exams after 23rd June. This month is good from the family perspective and the domestic life. However, in some cases, the family environment may be aggressive during the month. So, as suggested before, stay away from the provocation and do not enter into arguments. The good observation is that the family is likely to prosper as a result of the favorable transit of the planets. You will have good relations with your brothers and sisters, and they will prosper too. The love relations may be weak in the first 3 weeks of the month. You need to take control of your communication, otherwise there are chances of breakup as well. After 23rd June, the conditions are likely to improve. Love will flourish between couples. Married natives also need to be careful while interacting with their spouse and are likely to see ups and downs in their life. From an economic perspective, the month of June will be better than average for you. Your financial condition will be good and your spouse or partner will also contribute to the savings. Avoid spending too much or lending money to anyone. Your health will be moderate this month. Some of you may have mental stress and related health problems. To see good results and progress is in the hands of Gemini people, as the planets are going to increase your intelligence level and mental sharpness. The planets are making you brave, confident, creative and full of grace. The transit of the planets hints that there will be good changes in your personal and professional life. There are chances of long distance travel also for some Gemini natives. You will have the opportunity to transform and unravel good things from your destiny. However, be warned, some of you may be rather proud or egoistic and aggressive in their speech. So be sensitive to others' feelings and maintain your relationships. There is good news regarding your love life also. Your relationships may become better this month if you use your communication skills and personality in the right way. Married natives too will have good understanding with their spouse and there shall be good harmony between them. Whether you are in a job or self-employed or in business, your bold attitude can make you achieve your dreams and goals. Planets will also improve your financial status this month. Students will also do well if they focus properly on their studies. Health is expected to remain positive for most of the month. Overall, Gemini natives may have positive things to look forward to now. Before proceeding ahead with the rest of the forecast, here is an important announcement. This forecast is a general one for your zodiac sign and is based on the transit of planets. If you want specific astrological advice from us based on your individual horoscope, you are welcome. The individual predictions will be based on your unique horoscope, position of planets, their strengths, dasha system and the transit. Just call us and book an appointment for consultation. And yes, that will be a paid consultation. And now let us continue with the rest of the forecast. The month of June is expecting you to work hard and also face some adversities in life. Along with facing some challenges in your career, a lot of travel is also indicated for some Cancer natives during this time. The traveling may also include a trip overseas for work. There is a good possibility that your relations with senior officials may become better. The first half of the month will be better than the second half for those doing business. However, Cancer natives should also plan for fluctuations in business in the later part of the month. As regards relationship, there may be disturbances due to misunderstandings with the partner. Married Cancer natives too will have to have patience as the relationship with the spouse may be cold due to one reason or the other. Therefore, this month is likely to be challenging for romantic relationships. This month, the family environment can be somewhat unsteady as there are chances of ups and downs. Lack of harmony among the family members may cause discomfort in the domestic life. For the Cancer students, it is a month of ups and downs from the point of view of their education. This is because the transiting aspect and the position of planets is not favorable for education. There will be lack of focus which can lead to disruption of studies. Students preparing for competitive exams will have to be careful as there is a possibility of getting a setback in your examination. However, the students who are already studying abroad are likely to do well. But don't worry, these trends will not continue for the full month and things will improve gradually after the 17th of the month. Family atmosphere will be cordial and your bonds with the family members will improve. From the finance point of view, keep an eye on your expenditures. Therefore, make a budget and stick to it in order to keep a check on your finances. From the health point of view, the transit of planets is indicating that some of you are likely to have health problems. So caution is necessary. Also, Cancer natives should be cautious while driving. You may see mixed results in many spheres of your life during this month. Due to the combined presence of Rahu and Sun in your 10th house of career and profession, it may be a very tricky time. There are hints that you may get trapped in a conspiracy despite your sincere and honest working. Therefore, you should not trust anybody and beware of your opponents. Stay focused on your work. The mantra for success for Leo natives at this time would be to let their intelligence guide them. Sun will transit to your 11th house in the second half of the month, and it can lead to very good changes in your professional life. You will be able to score over your enemies. Your close association with the senior officials is likely to benefit you. On 22nd June, Venus will enter your 12th house. This indicates that there is a possibility of going overseas for work. This is a good time for business owners. The placement of Jupiter is signaling growth in business if you use your experience and intelligence. The planetary positions during the month may not be favorable for your family life. There is a possibility of you distancing away from your family since you are likely to travel. Also, the family atmosphere is expected to remain turbulent. There can be heated discussions. Your parents may suffer from health problems. Things are likely to recover after the third week of the month. For students of senior classes, this is a good period to do well in their academics. Students will be committed towards their studies. Despite some challenges and distractions, they will be able to focus on their studies. This is also a good time for students preparing for a competitive exam. Saturn's transit will help you stay steady on your course. According to the planetary combinations, there will be ample love in the life of natives who are in a romantic relationship, as well as those who are already married. The feeling of love towards each other will increase. However, if there are some existing problems, the situation will be better after July 20th. Most Leo natives are not going to face any financial challenges during this month. However, you are advised to take care of your expenses. From the health point of view, this period is asking you to take due care of your body. This is due to the transit of Saturn in your 6th house. Therefore, take care. For the Virgo natives, it may be called a month of mixed results. Working professionals and business owners are going to focus more on their work now and so may not find time for their relatives. Some of you may have to do unavoidable travels, and that can make some of you stay away from family members. Yet, the travels are not likely to bring immediate results. Some Virgo natives may also try converting their hobby into some business idea besides trying many new things. Virgo natives will find their career prospects very promising. Therefore, they are likely to perform their duties with enthusiasm. Your creativity may come to the fore, and you are likely to work with confidence and bring out your creativity. Your communication skills may also be quite effective now. Most of you should be able to smartly handle money matters now. While some Virgo natives may develop an inclination towards spirituality and religion. As regards health, there are chances that you may get mentally and physically exhausted due to the overworking, and this may affect your health. Therefore, please try to keep your body and mind healthy. Technical students may do better in their studies compared to the students of non-technical subjects. In either case, you will benefit by following the advice of parents and teachers. This month, it is possible that your love life may lack the energy of passion and romance. You may not also be able to spend much time with your life partner. This may upset them. Therefore, make some adjustments to avoid disappointments. Friends, that was my forecast according to your zodiac sign. In case you want to watch this forecast in Hindi, then the link to the video is given in the description box below. Friends, please do like and share this video. After subscribing to this channel, also click the bell icon. I wish you a very safe, healthy, happy and prosperous month ahead.